rocking YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so just got back home. You know, I've been doing these early reviews, whatever like that, but this is a current review. This shoe did drop today, and it actually caught me off guard because if you watch my video from yesterday I posted, which if you didn't go watch it, if you didn't watch it, go watch it right now. It was my review for the, what did I post? What video did I do? It was the early review for the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. If you didn't go check that out, go check it out. Go leave a like on that. It's gonna get a little bit dark. I need to get my other phone while I'm in the midst of talking. I told y'all yesterday that I was gonna do another review, a Kobe review, which I intend to do right now. They dropped today. Y'all go ahead and correct me if I'm wrong, because I heard that these was called the Caitlin Clarks. So I'm gonna give y'all some information like I always do. I'm looking for my phone because my other phone, so I can give y'all information. Like, where's my phone at? Oh, I got it. Boom. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I heard these are called the Caitlin Clarks. I'm not too sure. Whatever. But not only do we got that, but I'm gonna sit right here. We have another shoe. We have another one. So I'm gonna give y'all look at the tree right there. Just always want to be all of my videos. What was I about to say? He made me lose my train of thought. Oh yeah. The other shoe is not gonna be a full review because this shoe been out for a while. But I was where was I at? I think I was out of town. I think they came out when I was out of town. I cannot remember. I think I was in Japan. I forgot. And I wasn't really pressed on them, but when I saw them in person, I was like, whoa, this shoe is low-key kind of fire. But unfortunately, they were sold out everywhere. And you know what? Let me just stop talking. Let me just show y'all this shoe. Boom. All right, so see the box. Can I put this somewhere? See, I feel like if I put my phone down somewhere, Chewy's gonna knock it down. I'm trying to look all innocent. Anyway, no, I'm just holding. Stop. You know what? 1 second. Okay, this is definitely better. Okay, I had to flip the camera real quick. All right, so see the box, blue locks. Air Jordan 11 Retro RA. RA stands for Rare Air. Color is deep royal blue fire red sail. This is a size 9, so this is a personal pair. Like I said, this was sold out everywhere. I could not get my size. No 8.5 nowhere. But luckily for me, in 11s, I can wear a 9 because I actually prefer to wear a 9 because 11s are kind of snug. So I'm good with that. So just gonna give you this real quick. This has already been out. I think it's been out for like a week or two. Don't really got too much details. I did not do a review for these because like I said, I wasn't even in the country when these dropped, so didn't have a chance. But you know, got that dotted up paper, and yeah, these are fire, bro. Oh, let me switch my hands real quick. No, these are fire. I don't really like that, the Jordan going up the seam like that. I mean, but I can overlook that. But these are fire, bro. I like these. I like these a lot. And I'm not like everybody else. Look at that. It says rare. It's rare on the inside. I'm Rare Air on the inside. I'm not like everybody else. I'm not a Jordan 11 stan. So 11s aren't one of my favorite silhouettes, but they're not definitely nowhere near some of the worst silhouettes. I just not a real. I like the Concords. I like the Space Jams. I like the Breads, of course. That's the main ones. The Gammas are coming out next month. I'm definitely getting those because I didn't have those when they first dropped. So definitely got to at least say I had them at least one time. But anyway, back to these Rare Airs. This is like the third iteration of the Rare Air. They came out with some Rare Air 4s, which I passed on, which I actually like those a lot. And the Rare Air 3s, which I was debating if I want to get the Rare Air 3s, even though I don't like the Rare Air 3s. Even though I don't like 3s, excuse me. But I didn't get them because I wound up going with a different outfit. I went to Chicago, and I had a perfect fit. This blue shirt that said Chicago on it that went with the Rare Air 3s. I mean, of course they went with the 4s too, but I was going to get the 3s because they was on sale. But Yeah. I just didn't pull the trigger. I wore something else. I can't even remember what shoes I wore. But anyway, picked up these today. Definitely like them. Air Jordan 11 Ray Air. So, but y'all didn't come for this. Y'all came for what the thumbnail is, and that's these babies right now. So, pull this out. We're gonna jump straight. I'm not even gonna stop the camera. Okay, Kobe signature on the box. Got the, you know, little scales. Kobe logo right there. Kobe, that's 6, right? Yeah, Kobe 6 Protro. What color is that? Armory, blue, white. I probably said that wrong. Size 9. Once again, this is a personal pair. No reseller here. Personal pair because in Kobe's, I do go up a half a size because they are hella snug. So, tissue paper, Kobe logo on it. Oh, are these gonna be wrapped up? I hope they're not gonna be like super wrapped up. Okay, they're not. Okay, damn, boom. These are fire too. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna do it like that. Oh yeah, I can do it like that. Without further ado, we got the Kobe 6 Protro, Caitlin Clark. Boom. Okay, so yeah, I had to flip the camera back around because I didn't want to not be on camera for the whole video. So anyway, we got a Kobe 6 Protro Caitlin Clark PE, or the blue Armory. That's what they call it, something like that. Light Armory blue. There's multiple names, but yes, I did do some little research during a little break, and I got my information right here off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. They are called the Caitlin Clark. So again, I didn't really know too much about this shoe, only because again, I was out of the country, so I got hit over the head, boom, out of nowhere with these. But I'm not gonna lie, these are low-key fire. I will keep it 100. This part in the back looks kind of cheap. Like sorry if my nail was dirty. I just got off of work, but it looks kind of cheap. You see what I'm saying? It looks kind of cheap, but other than that, these are dope. I am a Caitlin Clark fan. I'm a Caitlin Clark stan. So yeah, so just her name attached to this alone make me wanted to get it. So got that light blue. It's like two shades of blue. Like a lighter sky blue is all around the scales and everything. Then you got that other blue, like that baby blue, kind of like that. I'm trying to get my nails out because my nails are dirty. I hate that. That's disgusting. I'm definitely gonna take a shower once I get finished with this video. Same color on the laces, everything like that. Kobe logo right there on the tongue. Kobe signature on the back. Can you see that? Yeah, you got that right there. It's just a clean shoe. I'll definitely got to give y'all some information. I apologize. Usually I give y'all information first. Before I get into this information, I'll say this for the end. I'll say that for the end. All right, so shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's going to be up on the screen in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Right now should be up, so you can read along with me if you want. What the hell is that? You see how my ads are still like in Japanese because like my phones are still adjusting to being back. I just got back. But all right. Skip this ad. Caitlin Clark's second WNBA season didn't unfold as expected after facing several injuries that cut her campaign short. The Indian Fever star still managed to make an impact, both on the court and in the sneaker culture, as anticipation builds for her first Nike signature line, which will go bananas. But I don't think it comes out to like 2026 or 2027, something like that. Clark's latest footwear moment arrives with the Nike Kobe 6 Protro Light Armory Blue colorway, introduced during the 2025 premium game with Angel Reese and the Chicago Sky. This wintry Kobe 6 combines Clark's chill personality and Kobe Bryant sneakers, donning a light blue snakeskin upper, icy blue swoosh, and white midsole. The basketball shoe has kept its trademark translucent heel counter and Kobe branding to carry the classic silhouette. That's the detail sneakerheads will notice, a colorway that feels both calm and confident, much like Clark's approach to the game. While there's no personal branding yet, the pair subtly bridges the gap between Clark's future Nike projects and Kobe's timeless influence. The Caitlin Clark X Nike Kobe 6 Protro Light Armory Blue releases November the 12th, which is today, 2025, via sneakers and selected Nike brand retailers. Retail price is $200. So that's actually $10 more than, or $20 more than most Kobe's, because Kobe's go from anywhere from $180 to $190. So it's either $10 more or $20 more, but it is what it is. There goes some more pictures, even though I have the shoe in my hand right here, but there goes some more. Boom, boom. All right, there goes ass. We're gonna cut it off right now. All right, back to my actual detail of the shoe. Now, do I like the shoe? Of course I like the shoe, because if I didn't like the shoe, I would just give y'all like a review and it still be in the store. I actually bought this shoe. So yes, I like the shoe. It is very, very clean. I love the blue on it. Kobe 6s is just dope to me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm mad. I just got rid of a lot of Kobe 6s. But listen, the reason why I got rid of all those Kobe 6s is because I wasn't wearing them. And there was a lot of good ones too, like the Dodger Kobe's. I wasn't wearing them, so I didn't want to keep nothing I wasn't wearing, because it was like, why? Like, they just collected dust or whatever like that. So yeah, put it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on this one though. I like this shoe. Probably gonna wear it sometime. I don't know. I don't never gonna tell y'all when I'm gonna wear a shoe, because I don't know when I'm gonna wear it. But I do like this shoe. This is a very, very clean shoe. What y'all think? This is a copper drop. Pretty sure it was. I saw a long line outside of Foot Locker trying to get this shoe, and I heard that first come first serve was at 5 o'clock. And well, it was for not first come first serve. Yeah, first come first serve, but it was for the people that unclaimed pass. Because it was on raffle. So if you didn't win the raffle, you had to come back at 5 o'clock. It was people lined up at like 12:30. So it is what it is. Now I want to say what I really want to say. Shout out to the guy who saw me today at work, and he was like, "Hey, do you do YouTube videos?" And I was like, "Yeah, I do." And he's like, "I knew it was you." And his wife was with him. He's like, "Hey, baby, I told you that was him," like that. And he was like, "Why you ain't do no review for the Kobe's?" And I was like, "Man, I just got back from Japan." I told him I forgot buddy name. I apologize. Shout out to him, bro. That really made me feel good, because I'm nobody in the grand scheme of the world when it comes to this sneaker thing. But just anybody just taking the time to notice me and say something to me, that was dope. Like, shout out to him, bro. Like, I hope you come back to see me sometime. Starbucks on me if you come in. Leave a comment if you see this. He said he was gonna watch the video. I told him it'd be up by 4. What time is it right now? It's 4 o'clock. So the video gonna be up by like 4:30, 5 o'clock at the latest. So shout out to you if you see this. Leave a comment, say, "Hey, that was me." Shout out to you, man. Leave your name too. But I appreciate the love. This is your review. I told you the review was coming, so you got it. So y'all let me know if this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. That might be the thumbnail. Have a nice day.